Hello, I'd like to give you an update to where we are regarding this course, especially on the group assignments. So we just completed our first group assignment, and I think again overall the entire class did a good job, despite again the minor challenges that some of the groups were facing. So what I did was to post or share the peer review comments as a way of learning and making sure that in future we avoid some of the mistakes, and we also emulate or utilize on some of the benefits or ways other groups did a good job. So take time to review these comments and again treat this to be a learning opportunity. So the next group case study is the Gale Force case study. So if you go into the group assignments, you'll find the Gale Force case study here. And to access the full document of the case study, you'll need to access that particular link, the group case study Gale Force Surfing Word file. So if you click on that link, what you'll end up getting is a full document with all the details about the case study. So you have the background information about the company, and of course you have the additional information in terms of tables, and of course at the end you have the requirement, the three questions that needs to be addressed in your respective group. So make sure you review this, especially at this point before you take or you go for spring break. So make sure you're reviewing this information and maybe have a plan or a discussion in your group on how you're going to approach this assignment. And the best way to work on this assignment will be if you can use a spreadsheet or Excel, because we're talking about maybe sometimes having to rebuild some of these tables. So the best way will be to use spreadsheet as a way of working on this assignment, and you'll find that to be very easy than if you do this through a Word document or the manual way. The other thing I want to mention about this case study is I did some minor changes to the due date. So what I did was to push these the upcoming two case studies by a week. So I moved this case study, the Gale Force, from March 12 to March 19, and the Chapter 7 Comprehensive Problem from March 19 to, of course, to March 26. So this gives you more room, especially taking the spring break. When you come back, you might not have enough time to get to this by March 12. So I moved this to be due on March 19. So that will give you more time to look at this. The other issue I want to mention in class is I did create a general class discussion forum that will allow you to maybe try to seek support from the rest of your class members. So I know sometimes you might be working on the homework problem and you have some issues, some problems, and the best way to do it is to go to this forum and be able to post your issue, and make sure before you do it you provide full information, the chapter you're referring to, the question you're referring to, and what issue are you really facing, so that somebody can come back and respond to this issue. Now, to make this more effective, I will suggest or recommend the entire class to go ahead and subscribe to this forum. By subscribing, the class members will be able to get a notification when somebody has posted a question to this particular forum or an answer to this particular forum. So let's utilize this forum to help us as we go through the course. Thank you.